Hey guys, I just got this cube for Easter, and it's really satisfying. So it has these crazy moral colors, and you open it by finding the hole right here, and there would be a line here, here, and here. And you open it by pulling out those. Sometimes it does, and once you get it like this is how you know it's supposed to be like that, and then it closes like that. So, nope. So it has magnets, like right here, like those do click together, and then listen to this. See, that's the magnets clicking. This is what it should look like, and it's really easy to solve when it's here. So you just either take these and fold them towards that corner, or you take this top piece and you fold it down. Sometimes it does that. You just fold it back up, and then. And yeah, see. But yeah, it has a different color on the inside, and you can make like 100 different shapes out of it. It's kind of hard to open, but see how it has like that, and then like this spacey type look. And I just wanted to show you that because I thought it was pretty cool. So, bye.